Many women believe that more the number of years experience, more the salary and better designation and so on. Unfortunately for women, this is not true. Women who build business capabilities, leadership communication capabilities to build a brand and deal with politics and bias grow much faster compared to women who do not. Thousands of women at IMDT have been practicing shameless pitching techniques, differentiating brand building techniques, leadership communication techniques, and they are growing much faster compared to others in the world. If you are a woman committed to grow very fast in your career and you are facing challenges to grow, join the Masterclass today and start dealing with these challenges right from now.